I want to just remark, I know that a lot of times, and we've been talking about this all day, but in honor of Mother's Day recognition, that so often in our society, the men are the ones that's looked at as the warriors, but the reality is most of the time we be fighting each other in these streets, and the real warriors that I've seen in the block is the sisters, is the mothers, is the ones who's really out there and don't never shy away from standing up. I know in the organizing I do in the streets, the coalition I work with is like 80% women, and I got nothing but respect for the power, the strength, and the fearlessness of the sisters out there. So if everybody could make some noise for the sisters in the space to be, for the mothers in the place. And I'm going to say one more time, I know we got a sister in uniform up here. You got to know that if your son was walking down the street, the other police don't know you a cop. They could kill your son in a quick minute, and he would be dead. He would be dead and gone. And you got to know that. My man sitting on the side, you could be the next one dead if you ain't got your badge on.
That's right.
You could be the next one.
That's right.
So while we sitting out here for a couple more minutes, y'all got a couple more minutes to run inside and go grab this killer out the inside. We know he in there hiding. If he ain't there right now, leave a note on his locker.
That's
let
right.
him know we coming for him. Let him know he can't hide. Don't let him know he need to take his lunch break inside, because don't nobody want to see him on the block. But please bring him out. Let him know. But anyway, we're gonna do the piece real quick. Like I said, it's about bringing together. We know the same thing is going on all across the country, whether we in the BX, whether we in South Central LA, whether we in East Side Oakland, whether we in Detroit, Philadelphia, DC, Atlanta, Pittsburgh, all over the nation. We see these things happening. We see the police getting away with murder. But like I said, we also see the people standing up all across the country when people are going through this, because people are not taking this no more. We got to remember that. Remember, when we stand here today, we are standing in solidarity with millions of our peoples all across the country, with peoples all over the planet, really. And so, like I said, I'm gonna get back into this one. And I'm like I said, I'm gonna try to bleep myself again, but
we got kids out here, yeah.
Yeah, I did before, right? What's good, young folks? And then the reality is, in harsh times, sometimes harsh words come out of harsh times, and a bullet hurts a lot more than a cuss word. But at the same time, I'm gonna try to keep it there. So it's same-ish all over. There once was a man from a land known as BX, where police like T-Rex, and brother, you could be next. See, he was hopping in the crib, hugging heartily, fam. A young man named Ramarley Graham just seen a tape of cops beating Jati Greed. Next thing, through the door, busting YPD. Pig pushes past grandma and runs right past, so she grabbed little brother knowing guns might blast. Ramarley in the bathroom just handling biz. Pigs bust in and kill him right in front of the kid. But see, out in White Plains Road in 229, the whole neighborhood already don't trust swine. So the people start to rise and call what's rightfully crime for what it is, straight up remnants of slavery time. We're sick of all the killings, whipping jails and thrifts. The people stand official, no peace, no justice, cause that's BX, Oakland, LA, same Lunatics release clips that cause me to flip. East Coast to West Coast riders, what we came with, cause it's BX, Oakland, LA, same See, there once was a man from the land of Oaktown. Everybody knew his name because the cops shot him down. Freshman celebrating 2009 on the BART line, rolling with his daughter in mind. Got into something, wasn't big, but the pig disagreed. Pulled him off the train, ready to get a kid what he need. BC would bleed, but the pig pulled his and said, "Uck it." Cocked back the cannon and fucked it. It hit the fan when the YouTube started. 1,000 at the funeral for the dilly departed. Johannes on the run, Obama ain't speak on it, but people in the streets were getting deep on it. Hit the block marching like it was the last dance. Everybody screaming out, "I am Oscar Grant." They knew the courts are most to give a slap on the wrist if someone snuck up in his crib and put a gun to his lip. Cause it's BX, Oakland, LA, same. Lunatics release clips that cause me to flip. East Coast to West Coast riders, what we came with. Cause it's BX, Oakland, LA, same. See, there once was a man from the land of Los Angeles. Yo, it happened all the time in that land. So scandalous, police handle us like trash on the cruise. Dumped the body overboard and turned to yesterday's news. but the name stuck to my mind like Agent Orange did, and made the age of wanna rise way past the norm, kid. Julian, DeAndre, Devin, Dantes, Usman, Gonzalo, Taisha, always, Joe, Bayun, Wicks, and Christian Portillo, and thousands of y'all and all the barrios. Cause then things changed when we all stood up. Cats crossed color lines and brought the whole hood up. See, divided we were beefing on some petty typeness. When we clicked, cops were on some we ain't ready typeness. Too late, we rushed to PD and City Hall, took the mother effer over and got justice for all. Cause it's BX, Oakland, LA, same. Lunatics release clips that cause me to flip. East Coast to West Coast riders what we came with. Cause it's BX, Oakland, LA, same. No justice,
no peace.
Ramali Graham presente. Big up, y'all.